So besides wanting my family to eat better, a huge thing that we want to focus on is our kids' activity level and their screen time. I honestly couldn't tell you how many hours my kids spend either in front of the TV, watching, Netflix, YouTube, or video games, on my cell phone or my husband's cell phone, watching YouTube. I mean, it's hours and hours a day, and we've let it happen. It's pathetic. We are not teaching our kids to be active. We do active things as a family here and there, but the majority of the time, my kids are in front of a screen. Joel, our oldest, played soccer in the spring, and then he's going to play soccer this fall. Landon plays baseball, and Brinley does dance. They do stay active, sort of, but the majority of the time is screen time. And so right now it's summer, and we're kind of just letting them do whatever they want, which is not okay. But once school starts, I am drastically going to change what they are allowed to do as far as screen time goes. I just got home from work about 20 minutes ago, and the first thing I walked through the door, I didn't even get through the kitchen, and Landon and Brinley are both begging to watch my phone. It's sad. It was really nice out tonight, so we ate dinner outside, and asked them to go play out in the yard. That lasted for about 10 minutes, and they're bored, and they want to be in front of screens. So yeah, that's gonna have to change. The other thing that's gonna be really challenging is getting the rest of my family on board with this eating as far as grandparents go. My mom and my husband's mom watch our kids quite a bit, especially this summer. And today, for example, one of the grandmas took Joel to Taco Bell, Brinley to McDonald's, and Landon to the grocery store to get Chinese food in one day. Grandmas are allowed a little bit of grace. They get to spoil the kids, but it's a prime example of how difficult it's going to be to switch our eating habits, because they're used to that kind of treatment and being able to eat whatever they want. So, oh my goodness, I don't know what we got ourselves into, but it is going to be interesting. Do you want cereal or toast?
I want toast. A McGriddle.
A McGriddle?
Wait.
We don't have McGriddles, and I'm not going to McDonald's.
Wait, can I put
There you go.
on your phone?
No, not right now. So this is my typical breakfast. It's 2 eggs that I'm scrambling, a splash of skim milk, and some frozen bell peppers.
No, I can't.
So Ivan and I are having pork chop and broccoli.
Can I have some broccoli?
Sugar-free. Oh, Brinley wants some broccoli. Barbecue sauce. What did you guys have for dinner? Brinley had blueberries, and I had peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah, but for lunch I had cake.
What are you eating?
Cereal.
How many bowls of cereal?
2. Cookies and off-brand Fruit Loops.
What are some things you normally eat for breakfast?
Eggs, waffle, pancakes, and then a sandwich, like a breakfast roll or something like that, and then cereal.
So lots of high carb, high sugar.
We will attack
stay here. Don't worry.
So it's Tuesday afternoon, well, morning. It's 10:30. Tuesday nights is a busy night for us. I'm trying to get something quick and easy ready for dinner tonight. So let me show you what I'm doing. I'm boiling some brats, water and onion. They'll be all the way cooked through, and then Ivan can throw them on the grill when he gets home. And then I had all those leftover, all these pasta sides in the pantry that we need to get rid of. So I'm making this pasta salad side to go with the brats and hot dogs tonight. Today is Operation Clean Out the Fridge Day. I'm gonna try to get rid of mostly a lot of condiments. I am planning on making like my own mayo, but we still have a full jar. But just getting rid of crap that hasn't been touched in forever, and organizing all stuff that came out of the fridge that does not meet the paleo requirements that I can recycle. So got the fridge pretty well cleaned out. All these baskets are from Dollar Tree. I am a Dollar Tree junkie. Okay, so freezer is cleaned out. It was beyond disgusting. Pretty bare. I am going to be looking into purchasing bulk meat from a local butcher. So I'm hoping that soon this is going to be stocked with lean local meat. Okay, so I finally went to the store today. Things that I got: almond milk. The kids surprisingly like it and haven't complained about it, but of course they've only had it with cereal. I got myself some almond milk coffee creamer, vanilla almond milk coffee creamer. I'm just finishing up what I have left up there of the dairy creamer. Still have cottage cheese I need to finish. Some vanilla Greek yogurt. I figure the kids can have that in the mornings with some blueberries or strawberries mixed in. More eggs, some ground beef, chicken breasts, some bacon, and this is a round steak that I'm gonna do beef and broccoli tomorrow night for dinner. And here is a head of cauliflower, a head of broccoli. And here is the paleo bread that I made. Down here, packages of blueberries and strawberries. And then down here, some oranges, carrots. So that's the fridge. Oh, butter. I did get more of the pure Irish grass-fed butter. It's so good. Freezer. Still got hot dog buns we need to get rid of. But in here is riced cauliflower, some steamable veggies, and then those are the same veggies that I had in there earlier. I didn't buy any of those today. I did get some frozen strawberries. Ingredients: strawberries. That's it. From when I did some research, you just want to make sure there's not a lot of added stuff to your frozen fruits and veggies, and there's not. In the pantry, onions. I am going to switch the kids from peanut butter to almond butter. This little jar, 12-ounce jar, is like $5 at Aldi, but it is a lot better. I did get some raw honey. This is called for in a few recipes that I'm doing this week. So looks really good. Snacks, I got some dried banana chips, almonds, and cashews. Down here, these are pork rinds that I got to crush up that I'm using tonight to make meatloaf instead of using breadcrumbs. Ground up some pork rinds, raisins, and then these, I know they're kind of prepackaged processed, but my kids enjoy these squeezable fruits, and there's not a whole lot of preservatives, I don't think, at all. These are pretty organic, no GMO, so good stuff. So I don't know, tonight's gonna be interesting. I'm making meatloaf and mashed potato cauliflower, mashed cauliflower. Brinley doesn't have bread in the house except for that paleo bread, which she hasn't tried yet, to have a peanut butter and jelly. So stay tuned to see what kind of meltdown we have tonight at dinner.